Okay, I would like to break this down on how I understand the YouTube algorithm and the YouTube platform now. If you're meeting me for the first time, hi, I am Prepatako. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to grow with 0 views and no subscribers. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, then definitely stick around with me and keep on watching. There are 2 things to do first if you want to grow here on YouTube, which is showing up in search and showing up in suggestion. So I'll talk about showing up in search, which really means YouTube is a search engine to look for visual answers to questions. So if you are looking for how to do a particular thing, like for example, you're looking for how to do a cornrows or how to braid your hair or any particular stuff you're looking for, if your video is being searched out and you have the right topic, which I'll be talking about in the later part of this video, if your video has the right topic and you have been showing up in search, then definitely you're going to get views and you're going to get potential subscribers from that video. In the later part of this video, that means you're definitely going to get views and a potential subscriber if you show up in search in YouTube. The suggestion just mean other recommended videos YouTube push out to you while watching this video. So if you're watching this video, for example, and you're seeing other video at the bottom part of this video, it just really means YouTube is recommending that video for you to watch after you finish watching this video. It might be my videos, it might be someone else's video, so YouTube is actually recommending that video for you to watch after you watch this particular video. So if you are being recommended by YouTube, it really means you're going to get views or potential subscriber from someone else's video or recommended video from YouTube. So if you're showing up in search and showing up in suggestion, that really means you're going to get views and subscribers here on YouTube. I would like to break this down on how you're going to show up in search and show up in suggestion. There are 3 things you're going to do. You have to choose the right topic, increase your click-through rate, and increase your view duration. If you have this 3 things right, then the first 2 things I talk about in this video are going to happen to you. So let's talk about the right topic. If you want to know more about increasing your click-through rate and increasing your view duration, you have to click this video right here and watch and learn about increasing your view duration and increasing your click-through rate. But into this video, I'll be talking about choosing the right topic. When your topic are right, then those first 2 things I talk about into this video are still going to happen to you, are still going to pop up with you, and you're going to get views and you're going to get subscribers. The thing we're going to talk about into this video is choosing the right topic. Or if you want to learn how to increase your click-through rate and increase your view duration, I'm going to talk about it in this video right here, so you can actually click this video after you finish watching the video. The whole point of filming this is to get the watch time, and watch time is the king and the father of YouTube. The more your watch time, the more YouTube are going to push your video in either suggestion or in either search. So if those 2 things are bound together, you're going to get watch time, and that is the key to a successful YouTube channel. So I'm going to talk about choosing the right topic, because when you optimize your video very well, you might be showing up in search or be recommended in other people's video. Choosing the right topic, I use sometimes my YouTube app in choosing the right topic. For example, how to make a full glam for men makeup. I use the YouTube app right here to do a search engine for my own self. Like I'll put if I have the video idea with me, like full glam makeup for men or glam makeup for men, I'm going to search that word glam makeup for men, and I'm going to see a lot of search by the YouTuber. So I'm going to see the one that is doing well or the one that pop up first, and I'm going to write that down or script out that one first and click on that search I have just did and see what video is at the top part and what video has the more views and what video is doing very well. I'm not saying you are going to copy that creator or do exactly the same thing that creator is doing. You might have a video idea, you might have a video topic, just do a little research with the YouTube app, and you're going to get either optimizing your topic very well or putting the title and everything very well so that your video will be automatically be put in a very right way in the YouTube search engine. Also, sometimes I use the TubeBuddy app. The TubeBuddy app is what I use in doing sometimes searching for the right topic and see if this topic is going to do well for my YouTube channel. I don't really know much about it, and I'm not going to talk much about it, but you can watch other video and search about other video about the TubeBuddy app. But the YouTube Studio now have a new feature where you can search topics, and it's really helpful. It helps me a lot in this video right here, and I got a ton a number of views in this video right here. So if you are somebody that want to go and have subscriber from 0 to 100 subscribers, then definitely try this tip. Help you. Then If you search for this and it's helpful, then you're going to definitely get views and subscribers from it. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and if you want to see more of my work, you can check out on my Instagram handle as Cole. I would love to see you guys in one of this video. Learn how to increase your video duration, your click-through rate, and more of you to grow on YouTube. I'd love to see you guys in one of this video right here. Bye guys. Bye. I love you. Bye.